Hello guys! Welcome back to Brief Vlog Channel! Ayan, nandito na ang ating mga kasama. Ayan, si Mel, si Sky, at saka si... Yeah, please, ayan. And ayan, nandito na tayo sa Kalaw. Nasa harap tayo ng mag-co-op. At tayo ay...
Going for swap test!
Magka-swap test tayo ngayon. Ayan, so guys, sana everything goes well. Ayan, so, para dire-diretso na tayo. So, see you, update namin kayo. Bye! So ayan guys, tapos na kami ng swab test. So ayan, hintay na lang kami ng check-in namin sa hotel. Kakain muna kami. See you later! So ayan guys, nandito na tayo. Dumating na tayo sa Hilton Hotel kung saan natin hintayin ang result ng ating swab test. Ayan, so fingers crossed na sana all of us are negative. Later!
Okay. Importante po nga din yun.
Anong floor kayo? 8th floor dito. Anong floor? 8th floor. So are we ready to check in? Sabay mo ko
Please press the button for the desired floor. Ako muna.
So guys, I'm on 8th floor. So my room number is 807. So it will be this way. Let's go. Hanapin natin room. 80305 and 06 and 07. There we go. Okay, so tap the card. There we go. So ayan, ito na tayo. Very elegant room. Ganda. Oh, di ba? Luwang. Sko, ang laki ng bed. So nice bed. So this is Hotel by Hilton. Ayan, so you have your ayan. Pang mayaman to. Charot. Tayo makasira. Charot. So ayan, they have a complimentary water. And very well. You have your hangers here. Ayan. And iron board. And this is a very huge and massive toilet with a bathtub. Oh, so lovely. Sarap. And the toilet is separated from the shower room. Wow. The body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Here. Extra ones. Here. So ayun guys, nandito na ako sa aking hotel room. This is my hotel room for an overnight. For one day, while we are waiting for my swab test result. This is quite massive. You can see. See, I have I think it's a queen size bed. Oh, so ayan. Ang sarap. So I have my ayan. I have my own like living room, blah blah. And the view outside is quite phenomenal. So this is the view on my window. I'm on the poolside. Which is so fantastic. Just have to say we can have the luxury of using the pool because we are not allowed to go out while we are waiting for our swab test. So, perfect. Thank you so much. And this is and tomorrow is June 5 and this is my birthday and it's a very nice a gift or a birthday gift for me is a stay in a Hilton hotel, a 5-star hotel, and I think this is one of a kind of a junior suite or suite. It's so huge. I'm on an 8th floor, so thank you so much Viking for this wonderful gift of making me stay in one of the 5-star hotel, the international 5-star hotel. Thank you so much. Thank you. now we have the negative result for our PCR test, and now we're going to check out, and we'll be at the going to the airport later. So I'll be updating you in every step all the way. See you later.